how to make mashed potatoes with a mixer. Very simple. I'm using a paddle attachment. I've got a clear bowl so the team can see everything that's going on. I like using Yukon Golds personally. I'm a gold potato guy. I start my potatoes in cold water. I go for 8 to 12 until they're fork tender. And then what I like to do is I like to warm up my butter and my milk. And this is where you can choose your own adventure in terms of how decadent you want to be, right? If you're like, I'm trying to like keep it a little easy, chicken stock, and then you can go to skim milk, then you can go to milk, then you go to half and half, then you can just do it, y'all. And then you just go right to cream.
Butter.
Exactly right. So I like to take my potato to actually take my butter to room temp because I think it creams in better. And when I was a cook, I'm going to put a little cream and a little half and half. When I was a cook, we had a restaurant that was right in front of people, like a display kitchen. And we would say, hey, give the butter to Chef Mike for a minute. And that was basically microwave because we didn't want our guests to know what was going on. So,
hilarious.
And you got to remember, the most important thing is salt. We have fat, we have flavor because of the potatoes, but what we don't have is seasoning. I'm kind of old school. I don't do black pepper in potatoes. If you like pepper, I'll go white. But that's it. That's how fast mashed potatoes can be in the house.
I do white as well. And just to reiterate, Yukon Golds have beautiful flavor and always start your potatoes in cold water. But Jet, it's real important they cut them in like shapes and sizes, right?
Exactly, and bigger is okay. And so 2 inches is my preference. You go on the larger side because they will cook more evenly and they'll cream out better, in my opinion, right? And again, Yukon Gold or even I'm good with russets, and I like a potato that has some body to it. And if you happen to be a person who doesn't like lumps, and you could push it through like a ricer. Also for fall, I like to do one of these guys, but really simple, man. And what you got to finish with a little bit of that little chicken jus that you had over the top here. Man, it is super easy.
Jet, you're so much fun. Your home is so beautiful. My compliments to your family and your lovely wife. Very kind of you to share your tips and your time with us. You know how much we love you.